Lamborghini um, gravity sensor remote control car, and this is a really big car. From the video, you can't really see how big it is, but it's actually really big. It's a 1 to 14 scale, and well, let's open it up. I'll do that. Okay, so this is the car, and it's really big, like I told you before, and it's really shiny when you open it. And this is the remote control, and let's open it. Let's open the car, the remote control. So I got the box out of the outside box, and I also got the car out. And the remote is really big, and it's really well made for a plastic remote. And they also include this additional block, which includes the battery and rechargeable battery charger, and a wire for the remote, which goes right here. And let's put on the batteries and turn it on. Okay, guys, they gave the rechargeable batteries as I told you, and now I'm gonna put them inside the car. And just close it in. And if you want to charge it, the port is right here, and you just plug it in. You don't have to take the batteries out, and then you just put the screw back in. Okay, guys, as you can see, it needs 4 batteries, but it's a AAA 4 batteries. So I'm gonna put 4 AAA batteries that they didn't give. This is you gotta buy your own batteries for the remote control. And apparently it's already on. Let's turn that off. Okay, guys, today. Okay, so I put the battery inside the remote control, and I just played with it with like a few seconds, and it really worked great. And an additional feature that the Best Choice Products seller didn't say anything, but you can open this flap to see the back engine, and it's really cool when you just leave it like that. And so let's see how the car overall goes. Okay, so this is the remote control, and it can be used 2 ways. So in the back, you can see that it says like it has a dash and then equal sign. That means one. That means two. The first one, let me show you. It uses the joystick function and the forward and backwards function. And when it goes forward, the lights come on in the front, and when it goes backward, the lights come on in the back. That's really cool, considering it be a car that's highly advanced. And let's see how it works. and it's a really cool car overall. And well, it's really like big, and that's what I love about it. Um, Otherwise, then it's really cool, and the doors open. So you just hold these two buttons right and in the remote control that you just hold like this, and if you just leave it like that, it can still function like that. But I would rather keep it closed. So you just keep holding it on, and it will close like that. And it also has a horn. You can just press this button, but it comes from the remote control, not the car. That's just one part that I don't really like. And now let's look at the second function. And this function is a gravity sensor one. So this is left and this is right, and you can use the forward and but you can't use this control. You can only use these two controls right here. That's forward. This is backward, and it also has a forward function. And let's see how it works in that function. I'm going really slow, so that's why the car goes going really slow. And well, it's really cool, and the doors also open. There's also a function that opens the doors. And that's the Lamborghini gravity sensor remote control car, and it's really cool. It's really big. That's what I really love about it, and so is the remote control. And well, thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, please view, and bye bye.